It's time to stop!
Stop the cap!
21.
Whoa! Gangnam Style!
So guys, quick update. There has been a lot of things happening in the Bitcoin price during the last 24 hours. So I'm gonna start here by showing you that this rising wedge, the Bitcoin price broke out, fake out, retest. It met almost completely the complete target, and then it reversed, making a double bottom pattern, and the price target, it ended up being completed, and now the Bitcoin price is finding a lot of resistance in this yellow line over here, which I'm going to show you right now. So right now this rising wedge has been completed, so I'm gonna pull out to those lines over there. Right now also we have this rising wedge which broke out, retest, started heading down, but it actually ended up not completing the full target of the rising wedge price, so it ended up rebounding, forming this double bottom scenario, and then the neckline broke out and also completed the target over there. So also this pattern is invalidated. So right now we have on this 1 hour time frame a pattern that broke out, which was a diamond shaped pattern. We're going really quick to the 10 minutes so you can see it really close. Right here, a diamond pattern is a bearish pattern. It ended up making a fake out to the downside and then another fake out, assuming that was going to the downside and then rebounding, and now the price is finding resistance in this yellow line, which I'm going to show you real quick. So this diamond pattern is invalidated. I'm gonna pull out the lines over here real quick. So going into the 4 hour time frame, we can see right here that this is the ascending wedge in which the Bitcoin price is following. Resistance, support, resistance, fake out to the downside, again resistance, another fake out to the downside, and resistance again. And we can also see in the RSI, so this is a bearish divergence right here, right now in the Bitcoin price in regards of the RSI indicator. And so going to the graphs here in the Bitcoin price, we can see right here also the Bitcoin price is following this wedge right here. Also there are two patterns right here. Also I'm gonna put a close-up so you can see the exact resistance again as I showed you before. You can see right here resistance here, resistance here, fake out, resistance right now. So going into the RSI in the 1 hour time frame, we can see right here have a huge bearish divergence here, also here, and so the momentum is getting lower in the RSI while the Bitcoin price is heading higher. As you can see right here, RSI momentum is going down, the volume keeps maintaining itself and it keeps coming up very strong, as you can see right here. Huge pullback, really quick rebound. There's a lot of buying pressure, but at the same time there's a lot of resistance over here. So in other words, if the Bitcoin price keeps getting rejected in a resistance, if it gets finally rejected, it will come down really hard like this, like very sharply. Also, if the Bitcoin price manages to break out of this yellow line, and also this strong Fibonacci retracement with a lot of volume support, then the Bitcoin price can continue heading higher. How high? I'm gonna tell you how high the Bitcoin price can actually go in the short term right now. So measuring the Bitcoin price target right now, this is the wedge it's following right now. So we pull up the target like this, put it at the top, in which the Bitcoin price is most likely to break up if it does. And so we have a price target around the $53,000 area, and the other price target, which is this rising wedge right here, is a target, as I'm going to pull out right here. There, it's mostly the same. You can see right here, pull it like this. It can be higher, a target of $55,000 for the Bitcoin price if the Bitcoin price can break out of this resistance, confirm it as support, confirming the trend line, the Fibonacci retracement as support, and then keep going upwards and also if the volume keeps increasing also. Right now you can see that the volume is it's kind of the same, but that type of volume will not be enough for this big move which I'm referring to. So in any case, if the Bitcoin price gets rejected, it can go back most likely to this support line at the rising wedge, which is around the $43,000 area. And also, if it breaks, we have another support over here in the wedge around the $41,400 area right here also. Also, I want to mention that the specific price target in which the Bitcoin price is having a lot of resistance has confluence with this monthly pivot points in the CPR indicator, as you can see right here. And also there's another big resistance I'm going to show you right here, but as you can see right here, Bitcoin price is trying really hard to stay and break out above this monthly pivot point, which is the $46,000 area. You can see here rejection. Right now, this is a 4-hour time frame. So if the Bitcoin price can close a 4-hour candle close above this pivot point also with enough volume, then it can most likely keep going upwards at the price targets I mentioned before. So going into the daily time frame, right now the Bitcoin price is above this 200 simple moving average, which is a very bullish thing. You have enough volume right here. I'm gonna zoom out just to verify the volume here. It's kind of normal, not that big, but not that little at the same time. But in order to make these huge moves, the Bitcoin price will have to show more volume, more green bars, like this one, as high as this green volume bar. And so, yeah, that's what it takes for the Bitcoin price to keep going higher. So my opinion in what is the Bitcoin price is going to most likely do in the near term. Right now, looking the Bitcoin price like this, you can see it is very vertical right now. There's a high chance it can pull back, but also there's a high chance that it can keep going upwards. But in my opinion, in order for the Bitcoin price to keep going forward in a big option, it has to take a break. Like right now, the Bitcoin price broke this strong resistance with this blue horizontal line, see right here. And so it would be a good thing also for the Bitcoin price to do this, go back to this support line at the ascending wedge, or at this support at the wedge right here, or this horizontal line as support, in order to create the momentum, reset the RSIs, and then keep going upwards. Because the more the Bitcoin price goes vertical, the more likely it is that it will have a harsh pullback. So right now, that's what I'm anticipating for the Bitcoin price. I'm anticipating that it may pump a little bit more, making a lot of people FOMO in, then have a huge pullback to this support line at the ascending wedge, or this support line at the wedge, or even go to this horizontal blue line of support as support, and then consolidate, keep going upwards, and boom, beautiful continuation to the upside. And that's what I'm anticipating for the Bitcoin price. So that's a quick update, guys. So guys, if you enjoyed this YouTube video, I really appreciate your time watching this video right now. And so if you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it if you can leave a like, comment, share with your friends, and also follow me on my social medias in TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and I will appreciate that also. If you would like to trade cryptocurrency with leverage, you can use my Bybit link in the description below right now, but only if you're an experienced trader, only if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, investing in short term with leverage, don't invest. If you're not an experienced trader, don't invest with leverage, really. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Peace out, guys.